Staring at a dead circuit board can feel like trying to solve a mystery in total darkness. You have got your multimeter out. It only tells you a tiny fraction of the story. You need to see the waveforms. You need to see the pulses. This is why everyone is talking about this specific 4-channel digital oscilloscope lately. It has earned a massive reputation among students and makers. It offers a massive leap in capability for a relatively small investment. Most beginner tools limit you to just 2 channels. This one gives you 4. That is a total game changer. You can debug a complex communication bus while checking the timing between multiple signals at once. You are getting 100 megahertz of bandwidth. That is the sweet spot for most home projects and educational work. It samples at a rate of 1 billion points per second. This means the lines on the screen are crisp and accurate. You are not looking at some low-resolution approximation that hides glitches. You get a complete setup right out of the box. It includes 4 passive probes. You can utilize every single channel from day one. There is no hidden cost. There is no extra shopping required. The interface is packed with tools that used to be reserved for high-end laboratory gear. You can perform frequency domain analysis to look at signals in a whole new way. You can set up advanced triggers for pulse widths or specific video signals. It even offers dozens of automatic measurements. You can track peak-to-peak voltage and duty cycle with these. One of the most interesting aspects is the upgrade path. The hardware is actually capable of more than the base settings allow. If your projects get more advanced, you can buy software keys. These unlock more bandwidth or better serial decoding. This keeps the device relevant as your hobby turns into a career. Of course, there are trade-offs. The physical probes are a bit flimsy and basic. Most serious users will eventually want to upgrade those. You will want something more robust for high-precision work. It also is not meant for ultra-high-frequency tasks like high-speed wireless communication. But for general electronics, it is incredibly hard to beat. It feels like a professional instrument. The screen is large and bright. It makes it easy to spot tiny ripples in your power supply. You can find jitter in your data lines without squinting. This unit has become a staple on workbenches for a reason. It is reliable. It is deep. It is surprisingly accessible. It turns the invisible world of electrons into something you can see and manipulate. For anyone who is serious about learning how their gadgets function, this scope is a massive step forward. It is the bridge between being a hobbyist and being a designer. You get real-world performance that handles the messy reality of breadboards and prototype circuits without breaking your budget. It stands as a testament to how far budget hardware has come. You no longer need a massive lab to do real engineering. You just need the right set of eyes on your work. You need curiosity to see where the signals lead you next. It is all about having the right perspective when things go wrong.